A quaint bed and breakfast perched on the edge. Villas nestled within beautiful flora and fauna. The perfect pathway for road races. We're at the desert coast of Jamaica, the spot that's said to receive the least amount of rainfall in the country, yet verdant with natural beauty. Welcome to Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth. The area of Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth has been earmarked as a pilot project to drive the development of community tourism across the island, and rightly so. For more than a decade, the residents have been capitalizing on the natural resources which surround them and bonded together to create an environment in which tourists can visit, sit, and sleep. This was long before the term community tourism was even popularized.
Persons in Treasure Beach want this area to remain low density. We want development, but we want low density, sustainable development. We do not wish to become a commercial resort, high density area.
But with the island pulling in more than 3.65 million visitors in 2015, Treasure Beach is pushing hard to snatch a significant share of that number from the all-inclusive resorts. They want visitors to know that Treasure Beach is where there is peace. The area covers some 25 square miles, including the communities of Great Bay, Billards Bay, and Fort Charles. This is the breadbasket parish. With about 70,000 farmers in residence, food is abundant and natural. It offers a recipe for farm-to-table, dinner and lunches. Wellness festivals and sport events are also on offer at the place where public and private partners harmoniously erect business and social enterprises.
The products produced out of those workshops we sell in our craft shop. The people who participate, they get a share of it and we get a share of it. We keep 20%, the other 80% is split up to the people who make the products.
This is the perfect getaway for the people who are up and about, busy every day.
Welcome to Treasure Beach, and welcome to one of the several Treasure Tours buses that we have here. We're very happy that this is a JTB approved, Transportation Authority approved bus.
The people that come here, they want the height of living, you know.
We come here to just be happy in the sunshine and in the sea.
We have been coming here since 1998, first time, and we've come back to Ital Rest 5 times.
In support of Treasure Beach's ventures, the government has provided an injection of $48 million from the Tourism Enhancement Fund to help the community implement its developmental projects. The program forms part of government's efforts to execute the community tourism policy recently tabled in Parliament. It has proven that through community tourism, the earnings gained from the broader sector can be further filtered to the ordinary man.
Whether you're a farmer, whether you're a fisherman, whether you're a bar owner, a restaurant, you name it, a coconut vendor, you are a part of this fabric of what we call Treasure Beach.
We hope to see you soon. Come home to Treasure Beach. You'll want to stay.